Croeso nôl, ac I ddimbych rwan I gyfarfod ein cystadleuedd nesa.
Cisa dwi. This is my family farm. I grew up here, and we work on the farm when I can. Dwi'n gweith full-time ar hyn o bryd, felly dwi'n methu gwaith on a farm a lot of the time. We show cattle and sheep, and about 4 or 5 years ago we won the overall Supreme Champion with the Hampshire Downs, my mum's sheep. And we've, over the years, done better and better with the cattle. We're starting to be able to breed our own cattle now, whereas we used to buy them for the shows, for the showing. But this year, hopefully, we're going to have 2 that are homebred, which will be really nice to be able to take our own bred cattle for a change. Dwi medru siarad Cymraeg, felly dwi'n medru siarad efo pobl yn y sioe. A hyn o bryd dwi ddim yn dall beth maen nhw'n deud. A dwi'n mynd y sioe am 6 neu 7 blwyddyn oed, a dwi eisiau medru siarad efo pawb, basically. Dwi'n dechrau dysgu Cymraeg yn mis Ionawr a blwyddyn yma. It would be really nice to be in a group to learn Welsh and not be stuck in the car on my own. It seems like a great, fun, interactive, energetic way to learn, so definitely, I think it's my cup of tea.
Beth ydi enw dy gariad di? What's your boyfriend's name?
Hefyn.
Hefyn. So,
yeah.
Beth mae Hefyn yn feddwl bod ti eisiau gwneud cariad iaith?
He thinks it's great.
Ydy e?
Yeah, he's really supportive, but because he's first language, he's not a very good teacher.
Sut dath I? How did it go?
Oh, really well. Maen nhw'n lovely, really, yeah, good. They're lovely people to chat. It was very comfortable and calm.
Well, you said Joana and Nia are really nice people, but could you handle them for a week?
Oh, dwi'n meddwl.
Give it a go.
Give it a go, absolutely.
Athrawes ac actores ydy Elizabeth Morgan sy'n dod o'r Rhyl ymwreiddiol.
Athrawes English a drama. Actress. BBC rep yn Llundain. A S4C.
Dych chi wedi actio ar
S4C.
Yn Gymraeg?
Yn Gymraeg.
Yn amlwg?
Yn Gymraeg. What was the series? A hospital series.
Glanhafren.
Glanhafren, yeah.
I know your word.
4 episodes. But mae rhaid I fi'n gwybod beth rwy'n gweud.
Felly, oeddech chi wedi dysgu'r llinella fel parot?
Yeah, and I can learn it, the script. But I don't know what I'm saying. Rwy'n credu mae iaith fi yn fy mhen yn rwy'n moyn allwedd I agor y drws.
Mae Alyn yn byw yn Rhyd ger Penrhyn Deudraeth ac wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg ers mis Hydref diwetha.
Dwi'n dwad o Abergavenny yn wreiddiol. Nes I symud I Rhyd ers 14 mis.
A sut wyt ti wedi setlo yn Rhyd? Pentre bach Cymreigaidd iawn?
Yes. Pobl yn Glen iawn. I think about 16 or 17 houses and they've all been very friendly. And everybody, I think there's one English couple, but everybody apart from that speaks Welsh.
Sut daeth I? How'd it go?
Da iawn, dwi'n meddwl.
Gobeithio.
Gobeithio, yes.
Do you think you've done enough to impress?
I have no idea. I just tried to do the best I could and be quite relaxed and cheerful.
O ddimbych mae Andrew'n dod ac mae o'n mynd I ddosbarthiadau 4 noson yr wythnos.
Pam wyt ti eisiau wneud cariad iaith?
Well, the main thing, beth I that in Cymraeg?
Prif beth?
Y prif beth, dwi eisiau siarad Cymraeg wrth gwrs. It would be nice I ymddangos ar y teledu, ond the main thing, I've forgotten already.
Prif beth?
Dwi'n Dwi'n isio siarad Cymraeg, wrth gwrs.
Mae'n refreshing iawn, mae'n neis iawn clywed rhywun yn deud, hefyd, dwi eisiau bod ar y teledu.
Wel...
Achos mae'n rhywbeth newydd, wyt ti wedi wneud rhywbeth ar y teledu o'r blaen?
Wel, a deud y gwir, paidiwch a deud i rhywbeth. Ydych chi'n cofio y ffilm Hedd Wyn?
Yeah.
I was in that.
No!
Yeah.
No way! Oedd gen ti linellau?
As an extra.
A dyma Ludo, Ffrancwr sy'n rhedeg I dŷ bwytau hun yng Nghastell Newydd Emlyn. Beth wyt ti'n disgwyl? What do you expect from the interview?
I don't know. 10 minutes head-to-head with Nia Paris.
Adre, ti'n siarad Ffrangeg?
Ffrangeg.
A mae mam yn siarad Cymraeg?
Yeah, Cymraeg. And we argue a Saesneg.
Perfect. Who wins?
Her, usually, yeah.
No, I do a few. I do a lot of food demonstration, cooking demonstration.
Yeah.
I did MasterChef in 2009, MasterChef The Professional. I did quite well in that. And since I did that, I'm being called on food festivals to cook for the Welsh public. So the Shumai Bolema and Frederique, it's all I can say. So I'd like
but you get away with it because you've got a beautiful French accent, so mae'n iawn.
And it's for that I'd love to be able to graph other words on it and to start making phrases.
Do you think that you wooed Nia Paris now on the panel?
Well, first impression, maybe, but if I cook for her, she'll definitely will be mine.
Ac roedd rhai cyfweliadau gyda phobl dros y we.
Nawn da, Alex, sut wyt ti?
Helo, prynaw, da iawn, diolch. I chi?
Ardderchog, diolch yn fawr. Rwan, dyn ni'n siarad gyda ti ar Skype yn ble? Ble wyt ti, Alex?
Dwi'n byw yn Llundain rwan, ond dwi'n dod o Singapore yn radio.
Fyddi di esbonio I ni faint o ieithoedd ti'n siarad a sut nes ti ddysgu Cymraeg?
Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg online gyda say something in Welsh. Dwi'n hoffi iawn say something in Welsh. A mae ffrindiau Cymraeg yma yn Llundain a dwi'n gweld mae raglenau gyda S4C Click.
Dwi'n licio'r Cris ti. Yay!
Ledfai siwch I mi.
Pam dysgu Cymraeg? Oes na Gymraeg yn dy gefndir di? Mam gi, tad ci? Neu hen fam gi, hen dad ci?
Wel, mae mam yn had yn dod o teulu o Gymru. Mae yn y gorffennol iawn. Pan o'n i'n ifanc, dwi'n mynd I syrthio mewn cariad gyda iaith Gymraeg. I just love it.
Ble yn Ffrainc dych chi'n byw, Frederique?
Nawr, dwi'n byw yn agos I Maris. Dwi wedi penderfynu dechrau dysgu Cymraeg 2 flwyddyn yn ôl a dwi'n trio I wneud gyda llyfr bach. Does un llyfr yn Ffrangeg am Cymraeg.
Dwi'n fyfyrwraig yn y Brifysgol Adam Mickiewicz ym Mhosnań. Mae Mhosnań yn gorllewin Gwlad Pwyl. A dwi'n rhan o adran Geltaidd yn y Brifysgol Adam Mickiewicz. Oeddwn ni yn ysgol uwchradd. Roeddwn ni'n hoffi iawn o fand Gwyddeleg, The Course. Ac felly penderfynais ddechrau a ddysgu yn adran Geltaidd ym Mhosnań. Ond trodd fy ni'n hyrdyba o'r Wyddeleg i'r Gymraeg ar ôl gwersi cyntaf.
Michael Jones ydy hwn, dyn tân yn Lemster, sy'n dysgu Cymraeg ar-lein.
Dwi'n mwyn dysgu Cymraeg acos fy ntaid roedd bardd Cymraeg o Brynamyn. Dwi'n mwyn deall y penillion o fy ntaid a hefyd tili arach, other family writings I've been given in Cymraeg.
Sut wyt ti wedi mynd o'i chwmpas i ddysgu Cymraeg? Wyt ti wedi bod yn dysgu efo hwb neu say something Welsh neu wyt ti wedi bod yn dosbarth Cymraeg neu be?
Wyt ti'n dechrau dysgu gyda Say Something in Welsh, SIW, a hefyd YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube, yeah.
I saw you two this morning. I watched the first programme, the last one.
You went a whole day
yeah. And it's strange seeing you now in person. I haven't seen you. No, that suits me. Yeah, enjoyed it, yeah. Dwi'n hoffi canu,
yeah. Dyna ni.
Roedd Robert hefyd wedi dod o bell o Solihull. Mae'n teithio i'r dre newydd Newtown i gael gwersi Cymraeg.
Dwi'n dda iawn efo darllen a sgwennu Cymraeg, ond mae gramateg ddim yn dda.
Does neb yn hoffi gramadeg. Nobody likes grammar, do they?
Dwi'n siarad efo partner golf. Mae o dodo a day. And mae o trio dysgu Cymraeg and gofyn I mi beth ydy y gair. And dwi trio siarad Cymraeg I gyd.
Ydych chi'n well am golffio na fo? Are you better than him at golf too?
Ydw.
O Wrecsam mae Danielle yn dod yn breiddiol, ond erbyn hyn yn byw yn Sir Fôn.
Dwi'n hoffi dawnsio gwerin bob wythnos a mynd i'r dafarn ar ôl y dawnsio.
Ddim cyn y dawnsio?
Ie, ddim cyn, no. A dwi really eisiau dysgu Cymraeg. Yn y dyfodol, I want to bring our family up in Welsh and be able to contribute more in the community and things. And at the moment, I can start like I have, and then I get nervous and I get red and I just get really frustrated. It can just be a little word that throws me off, or the arddodiad. Oh, I don't like the arddodiad.
Hello. Sut aeth ni ta?
Roedd o'n da iawn, diolch. Mi nes I mwy fwynhau y cyfweliad. Hopefully I've given reason enough and explained why it would mean so much to me.
Mae Fran yn fam ac yn rhedeg I siop I hun yng Nghaerdydd. Now te, Fran, what appeals to you about Cariad iaith?
I think with the programme, I watched the programme, I saw Nia teaching whilst singing and I loved it. That really appealed to me. I saw it and I thought I could learn Welsh this way. I've struggled so many times of trying to go out in the evening. I've got 3 children and to go to night classes, I get so far, so many weeks, and it's just getting more complicated. And it was really seeing Nia teaching through singing that got me, and I thought, and I saw an advert on Facebook and I thought, I'm going to go for this, I'm going to try this. And here I am.
My geni, no, I've forgot my words. Anyway, I want to learn Welsh because of the children mainly. I want to be able to speak siarad Cymraeg mewn the children and also with my customers. I have a shop and I'd like to be able to converse with my customers. That's really frustrating. I have lots of customers that come in and we've got a big Welsh community and I always feel so frustrated because I've got members of staff that can converse and talk, and apart from saying bore da, prynhawn da, I'd like to be able to say a little bit more.
A dyma Chris o Birmingham, un arall sy'n newydd ddechrau dysgu achos mae'n priodi Cymraes.
Dwi'n Dyweddio I Rhan.
Llagorchiadau?
Ie.
Dych chi'n priodi cyn bo hir?
Dim eto.
Put a bit of pressure on it as well. Get your act together.
Dyn ni'n mynd I edrych a couple of places, 2 places, penwythnos yma.
You're going to do your speech in Cymraeg.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Hello. How did it go, sut aeth I?
Iawn, dim yn dda.
Beth oedd ti'n disgwyl? What you expected?
They made me feel at ease a lot more than I expected, so that was nice. But
You're being nasty about us?
No, not at all.
Wel, mae bron yn amser y foment fawr. Dewch yn ôl ato ni ar ôl y toriad I weld pwy fydd yn yr wyth ola a pham.